I'm repeating all the colors one more time. So we have lemon yellow, medium yellow, light green, dark green, any shade of red. I've used crimson. Any shade of pink. I've used magenta or hot pink. Light blue, you can use cobalt blue or cerulean blue for the light blue, and black. These are the shades we need. Cardamom is also fine. Now, for yes, yes, you can. For the pink color, you can. Now, for the painting, I'm going to use this number six round brush. This is number six round brush. Okay, we need this one. How to check that your brush is good for painting? When you dip it into the water, it should be pointy like this. Okay, otherwise, this is the time to change your brushes. Use a good quality brushes for painting. Okay, now are you all ready? Shall we start? I'll be showing you first, and then you have to do. So, do you all remember the first technique in painting? Can anyone tell me what is that? That is water shading, right? So, I'm going to do the center part, this part first for the bird. Please pay attention, everyone, how you have to do it. Take little bit of yellow on the tip of your brush and apply it on the outline of this chin area, this part. Apply it here like this. Okay, then please do not start the manu. Look here. Now take little water, apply the water here on the color and fill this part. Okay, not here above the eye area. Only till here you have to fill like this. Everybody, please start painting. You have to use, this is called water shading. Just apply the color and then mix it using water. Number six round brush you have to use. Okay, here, what color of yellow? What color of yellow? The bright one. Medium yellow. I've taken medium yellow. And from this side, you have to apply green in the same way, but we're not going to spread the green much. Okay, just apply a little bit of green on this side. While the water is still, it's wet, your sheet is still wet, apply the green color on this side and mix. Got it, everybody? If you haven't got it, let me know. I'll explain again. Now here, medium yellow. It's medium yellow. And there's one thing that you have to keep in mind, that use very little amount of color for the water shading. Okay, do not use much color. That's how you do it. Yes. Yes, you can. That I already have mentioned while we were taking out the colors, that you can use any bright shade of yellow and lemon yellow. Yeah. No, it's not lemon yellow, it's the medium yellow, the bright one. Let me know if you're done. Quickly come back. Quickly come back because I'm going to start. Yes, that's right, mantra. Now apply the green color after the yellow. You got it. Not yellow with the green, but the water shading. Yeah, with the what? Do not bring the green color down. Just keep it only up. Okay. Yes, that's right. Apply more green mantra. Yeah, you too, Chatrika. A little bit of green you can apply more. Yeah, yours is fine, Sadiksha. That's right. Yes, light green. That's right, Riti. Yeah, that's right, Hitanshi. Now, I'm going to take the red color and apply it here in this part of the beak. Apply the red color. Very little color you have to take. Apply it here at the corner part. Now take the yellow color again, that bright one, the same yellow. Apply it here and mix it with red. Here you have to apply the yellow color and mix it with red like this. And for this part, we'll apply green color and mix it with yellow. Again, I have to mention this. Please apply little amount of colors for these parts. Okay, do not apply too much of color. I'm taking the color only on the tip of my brush. Take very little color for doing these parts. This is Toucan. This is how you have to do the beak area. Now, the black part we'll do later. The remaining part of the bird is black. We'll do that later. Now we'll jump towards the flowers, leaving the bird there. Let me know once you're done. Yeah, right. That's right, Sadiksha. Yeah, that's right, Hetanshi. Correct. Right, mantra. Well done. Yeah, that's right, Chatrika. Correct. Right, Zriti. That's right. So this flower I'm going to do with pink and this one with red. Okay, I'm going to do the pink first. Start from the center and make the strokes from inside to outside like this. Apply the strokes like this. Do the each petal separately and then you can either use water for the shading like this or you can also use white color. Both are fine. I'm going to use here the water shading only for the petal. Once you have mixed, you can extend the strokes like this for the finishing effect. So each petal will do like this. First, apply the stroke on one petal each time. Do not apply it everywhere. Wash your brush, mix it with water shading effect like this. Now, the way of taking the water will be You have to dip your brush in the water like this. Dip your brush in the water. Remove extra water on the side. Okay. Now, with the remaining water that you have to do the technique. Okay. And when you do the strokes, your brush should be absolutely clean. Take little color and then extend the strokes like this. I hope you all got it, how you have to do it. Got it, everyone? Yes, that's right, Diksha. Likewise, we need to do for. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, fine. You can use this color. No problem. No problem. You can use any shade, bacha. The flowers can be of any shade. Okay, doesn't matter much. Use whatever shades you have. Don't worry. Just when you apply the water now, be careful. It should be enough amount. Not too much, not too little. You will get to know this through practice only that how much water you have to apply. Okay? Yeah, that's right. Correct. So if any point of time you feel that you got too much of pink at the outer side, you can fix it using white color. Okay, I'm just applying a little bit of white so that you understand that even if you apply white color, you will get good result of this technique. Okay, so from the other side, I am applying the strokes of white. This is totally optional. If you got too much of pink on the outer side of your petal, you can fix it using the white color. Okay, because we cannot remove the color, but we can always add white, to fix that. So that's the way of doing this flower. It's done. Let me know if you're done. We'll move on to the next one. I'm using, yes, that's right. I'm using crimson for the other flower. Okay, so we'll again apply on the inner side. Same technique, water shading. This side you have to apply the color. Show me. Can you hold it closer to the screen? Yeah, that's right. But same thing happened, Krisha, that you got it too much of pink. You can fix it adding little white at the outer side of the petal. Okay? Pay attention here. I'll just hold on for a minute after doing this. See, look here. You have to keep applying the water and rub your brush like this so that you have that gradual light and dark shading effect on the petal like this. Okay? Same brush, number 6 round we're using. Again, we can use white also alternatively. If you get too much of red, at the outer side. Okay. Likewise, we'll do for all the petals. So here you have to apply the water in parts. First on the red color, then on the lighter part, so that you can get the lightest effect at the outer side. Everyone, you getting it? For the which one? For the flower that I'm doing right now, I'm using Crimson Lake directly without adding. Yeah, that's right, Driti. Correct. Do not color the pollen. We'll do that later. Yeah, that's fine, Chatrika. Yes, the bird will be black. We'll do that later. So even if you get some color there, it's fine. Now I want you to see the last petal. Look here. You have to apply the color according to the shape of your petal. The strokes will be here, little rounded. So that's how you do the flower. Yeah. Yes. Yes, Anika. I think you can apply a little bit of white, Anika, at the end. Yeah. Correct, Hitanshi. Well done. Correct. Absolutely correct. You got it. So in 1 minute, we are joining again. Yes, Sudiksha, this is absolutely correct. You got it. We also have a bud here. I'm going to use the same red, and you have to apply the layers, apply the color on the lining and then do the water shading like this. Apply the color on the lines. like this, and then use the water shading technique for this bud. Each layer will be highlighted. Yes. Yeah, that's right. Hitanshi. Yes, Mantra, tell me again. For the bud, I've used red, crimson. Wait, but I'll just see. Give me a minute. I'll just see. Yeah, show me. Yeah, right. That's correct. Yeah, that's right, Nitya. That's right. Correct. Done, everybody till here? Yeah, that's right, Sudiksha. Now we'll start with the green part. For this, you have to do dark green. Yes, that's right. That's right. Outline the leaf with the dark green color. I'm using same brush. Apply the color on the outline. Extend the strokes on this side of the leaf and then do water shading. First, extend the strokes. Then you can use water for the remaining part like this. I'm doing one side at a time. After applying the water, you can apply little bit of light green and mix it with water. First dark green, then water shading, and then light green. So this is half part. Now I want to repeat here. Please look here. Dark green and light green. Apply the dark green, outline with dark green. Now extend the strokes and try to fill the corners of the leaf with the same green color. Is not? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's looking fine. That's okay. Doesn't matter at all. I already mentioned we can use any shade of green, like for the dark green and light green. If it comes little different, that's fine. Okay, now apply the water on the color and with this fill the remaining part. And as soon as you're done, take some light green and mix the light green with the water and the green part. like this. Please mute yourself, Krisha. Yeah, on the pollen. Okay, that's okay. We'll try to fix it by applying the color without the water, okay? That's fine. Now we'll let this color dry before we do anything else here. Okay, just let this color dry. That's how you do the shading. Same way we'll do the shading of the other leaf. Once you get the confidence, you can do both the sides together. Okay, apply the color on the sides like this. Extend the strokes. Apply the green under the flower also. Please, I want your attention, everybody. You have to first see how much and where you have to apply the color. Yes, that's right, Riti. Correct. Now apply the water on the color and melt that color to fill inside by just moving your brush on that part. Quickly blend it and apply the green, the lighter shade of green from the center in the water part. Apply it in the water part and then mix it with the dark green. Move your color in the direction of leaf veins when you blend. So here, this one I'm going to do one more time. Yes, that's right. That's right, Chatrika. Correct. Now, after these two leaves, yeah, show me. Yeah, that's right. Now, everyone, please change your water and we'll first do the background before we could do these leaves. We need clean water for the next part. Yes, that's right, Dhriti, correct. Turn your sheet upside down. You're not done. I'm starting, bacha, because otherwise we can't finish. Okay, you have to just see for a while how I'm doing it and then try to catch up. Okay, so I'm going to start the water shading effect for the background also with light blue. Yes, Anika, that's right. So what we'll do is we'll apply on the outline on the outer side of the objects that we drew with, you can use number 3 also if you are not comfortable with number 6. Okay, apply the colors like this on the outline and then quickly before the color dries, quickly use water and color the remaining space like we do for the water shading. Okay, like this. Now this would take some time for me also to do. I'll just keep on doing and then you can see the final result that we get. Okay, this green leaf part also I'm going to cover and we'll do that later with the green color. I'm just covering this part with the background. Yes, you can use number 3. You can use number 3 round for this. Yes, you can. So always apply. Please, please quickly come back. Yes, you can. So here, as you can see, we have more space. So what I'll do is I'll quickly use my flat brush, after quickly painting it, I'll quickly use before the color dries. I'll use the flat brush and apply water and mix like this so that the color doesn't dry and I'm able to blend it nicely. I'm using a bigger brush here. Okay, even if some color gets on these leaves, that's fine. Okay, try to avoid the color going inside the objects that you've already colored. Okay, and the objects that you haven't colored, that's fine if some color goes in there. So this way we'll be able to create depth in our painting. That's the effect that we need. Likewise, we'll do here also. The bottom part we have to do with yellow. Okay, only the upper part we are doing with blue. Yellow. Right. You started with that part? Okay, fine. No problem. That's fine. You can use one color also. No problem. That's your choice. If you want to use only one color, it's fine. Yeah, okay. Tell me, Mantra, you're saying something? Mantra, you saying something? Mantra, you there? Okay. So I'm doing till here only. For the remaining part, I'm using yellow color, the bright one. And the technique is same. Apply the color on the outline. Yeah, that's right. That's right, Mantra. Correct. So here I'm applying the color on the leaves also. Roughly I'm applying the color because we haven't colored them yet. We'll do that later. The stem also, so that you can quickly do it without much hassle. Mhm. That's okay. Can you just show me? Yeah, just show me. Let me see. Yeah, it's looking fine. Even if it's light, it's fine. It's looking fine. You can keep like this. Yeah. So here in the border of the blue and the yellow part, I'm mixing little bit. It will become slightly like green when you blend yellow and blue. It becomes little bit like green. Okay. Just complete this much, everyone. Okay. You have to let your background dry. Only then you will start doing the remaining part. Okay. I have started because I have to complete it. Okay. I'm going to do it carefully. Now I'm applying the black color for the remaining part of the bird with the same round brush. You can use either numbers 3 to 6, any number you can use depending on what brush you're comfortable doing with. Yeah, that's right. Oh, I think it's fine. It's fine. Okay, that's okay. Now, everyone, lemon yellow will use now for the leaves. Okay. Now, everyone, please look here. I'm going to do these leaves first. We have to use the one stroke painting technique. Put your brush bristles in the yellow color first, and on the tip, take dark green like this, and move your brush on the leaves like this. You will get natural leaf shading effect like this. Every time for each leaf, you have to do this technique. Okay, there's other way to do. Okay, if you can't do it like this, just do normal blending. Okay, every time I'm taking the color in this way, only one stroke will give me beautiful shading effect here. Lemon yellow and dark green. Use lemon yellow and dark green, and the technique here we are using is one stroke painting. Try to give the shading effect in just one go. So each line you have to make in this way that it is visible. Okay? Create the shades in such a way, keep the dark on the left side and light on the right side. Okay? So that each layer of the grass, each grass is visible. Okay? Same way we have to do here. You've already made the lines. I hope your lines are visible. If not, you can redo the lines. The stroke is point, dab, and point. The S stroke. Use the S stroke for these. If you have attended my initial sessions, I've taught these techniques to you, or you've seen the video, you will get to know what technique this is and how you have to do it. Still, I'm explaining one more time. You have to take both the colors in your brush. Okay, and the stroke is point, dab, and point. See how I'm moving the brush? Keep it in upright position. Start with the tip of your brush, dab and twist a little bit, and point again. Lift your brush up as you Reach lemon yellow and dark green. For each stroke, you have to repeat the same technique. Make the center line also once you have done. Okay, let it dry first and then you can do it. If you have added another one here, we can do that also. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to add few small ferns in the space I have. Now for this stem also, the sepal under the bud, this also you use the same technique, one stroke and just fill it with the round brush. The veins of the leaves I'm highlighting with a darker shade of green. Yes, one stroke. I explained already, you have to use the one stroke technique. Take both the colors in your brush and use the technique point, dab, and point. Okay, draw the veins. Yes, that's right, Hetanshi, Chatrika, correct. Now, this pollen is remaining here. We'll use yellow color for the pollen. Use yellow color for the pollen. Do not add too much of water in the color so that if some green has covered that part can get fixed up, or you can apply 2 or 3 coats to cover that part. Okay, like this. And for the this flower, I'm going to add some black dots like this. Add some black and yellow dots for the pollens of this flower. First black, yeah, and then yellow like this. Use the dry brush technique here. So we have almost used all the techniques that we've learned earlier in our earlier classes. Okay, we can highlight this leaf also by adding the lining on the left side with a darker shade of green. Add little bit of black in your green to add it, make it look little darker. N- Not just black, but little bit of green and black so that it looks like dark green. That will highlight it more. Okay. Now, for the last part, I like to always, add finishing to my drawing by doing the outlining. This is totally optional because you already did the outlining before starting the painting. So it's optional. If you want to do like me, I always do my, I add more finishing to the drawings. So for that, I'm going to repeat the outlining. This requires a lot of practice. Your color should be appropriate when you do the outlining. It should not be too thick or thin so that your brush moves smoothly. Yeah, tell me. Show me. Yeah, absolutely. You liked it? Okay, nice. Yes, yes, that's it for the painting. I hope you all got it nice. Bye bye. Yeah, that's right, Hitanshi.